Okay, so today gold is down 2.5% coming from 5,000. Now at around 4,920. It went down to as low as 4,875 today. And ayun, we are still looking for buy orders. Basically, si gold is ranging. So ibig sabihin, consolidation lang yan. And taas-baba lang talaga siya. So kapag tumaas naman siya at around 5,000 or 5,100, we are gonna look for sell orders naman. So ganun lang siya, taas-baba. Until such time na magkaroon ng magandang progreso or magandang news about the US economy. So let's say, naging mas malinaw na yung Fed easing or Fed interest rate cut, or nagkaroon na ng de-escalation, or nagkaroon ng mas malaking geopolitical tension. So ganun lang, we are going to look for more evidence before we have some concrete bias. But itong mga ranging, no, itong mga consolidation mode, this is where we can take advantage of the market. So ayan, pag malapit siya sa 4,800, we look for buy. And pag malapit na siya sa 5,000 or 5,100, we look for sell opportunities. But it's not gonna last long. So ayun, ano lang rin tayo. So make sure na we have cut loss. So pakita ko sa inyo kung paano yung naging setup natin. Okay, so here's our chart. No, so simplihan lang natin. There's overlays and indicators there, pero tinanggal muna natin para may pakita dito yung talagang price action. So this is a 4-hour time frame, and the higher time frame is the more significant yung mga major yung mga support and resistance level. And this support level, itong nasa 4,875 or 4,880, nandyan yung inabangan natin. So it went down to as low as 4,859, and ayun nga, nagkaroon ng rejection. And this long tail, yan, dyan tayo nag-entry, no? So we are on a lower time frame, doon tayo nagkakaroon ng execution level. And ayun nga, nagtuloy-tuloy siya at around 4,934 yung green candle na yan. So pakita natin on a lower time frame pa. Okay, so this is a 50-minute time frame. This is where we execute our trades. Usually M5 or M15 is a good execution level for scalpers or day traders like me. Ayan, so makita nyo, 4,880 is a strong support talaga. Twice siyang bumagsak dyan. If you're gonna look at the left side, yan, yung mahabang candle na yan, nag-bounce talaga siya dyan, and it went to as high as 5,040. So that's $100 din yung pagtaas yan. And that 5,040 is actually a very strong resistance naman. So ang ginagawa natin is that we buy near the 4,880 and we sell around 5,040 or 5,080. So those are the levels. And if ito nagtuloy-tuloy itong mga gantong range or consolidation, mas maganda, no? So kasi bakit maganda itong ranging? So usually other people don't trade this kasi it's very unpredictable. But ito nga, for me it's very predictable kasi nakita niyo naman na talaga nire-respect nila yung line, yung mga support and resistance levels na yan. And all you need to do is just identify them and look for more confluence, no? So like the RSI or stochastics or even MACD, it's really up to you. Pero yun nga, mas predictable siya kasi taas-baba lang siya. So buy, basically ang strategy natin dyan is buy on support and sell on resistance level. So that's it. That's how we time our trades dito sa gold. Even if it's going down, we look for a buy opportunity, and it's very rewarding kasi coming from 4,850, 4,860, yan, so dyan tayo naka-entry, and it's very significant. So that's it. And ayun, if you want to learn more about trading, I want to invite you sa ating Telegram community. So nandyan lang yung link niya sa bio natin or sa description box below. See you there.